Looking for a highly equipped SUV with all the right options and reliability? We'll take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited in Diamond Black Crystal Pearl. With bi-xenon HID headlamps, LED fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and cross path detection, LED tail lamps, heated and ventilated front seats, heated steering wheel, 38,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, SELEC-TERRAIN system, heated second row seats, dual pane panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.6-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5695.